Welcome to this exceptional home nestled in Clackamas County's premier Stafford community. Situated on nearly 13 acres with pastoral views and a private gated entry, it's your own peaceful oasis. The long tree-lined driveway takes you to this elegant, custom-made home. Heading inside, you'll discover a grand marble entry with gracious, entertaining spaces throughout and beautifully crafted built-ins. The custom gourmet kitchen is ready for the chef with a stylish cooktop island, tranquil views, a separate prep sink, double ovens, and abundant storage space. French doors and wainscoting frame the formal dining room. Enjoy the extraordinary custom-made bar and wine cellar. The sweeping staircase leads to the private master suite with a sitting area and views of its own, plus a luxurious master bath. This home of more than 5,500 square feet features 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. A second staircase leads to the huge bonus and theater room, a flexible space ready for game night. Or entertain poolside while relaxing or barbecuing in the shaded pavilion. Explore the lush gardens, fruit trees, and seasonal creek. The huge heated shop is ready for your hobbies, cars, or sport court. And your 6-stall barn with runs is ready for your horses. Combining the best of both worlds, serene country living, yet only 10 minutes to shopping and restaurants. It's an extraordinary opportunity, and it's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Michele Bundy with Premier Property Group. To learn more about financing options, please contact Perry Henderson with Directors Mortgage.